You hop on the campus Wi-Fi to cram for an exam. You use the same password for everything because, honestly, who can remember more than one? Your social media is private, or so you think. You're moving through your digital world feeling pretty secure, submitting that paper just under the wire, checking your bank balance, and scrolling through your feed in the library. But you don't see the person in the corner of the coffee shop pulling your data from that public network. You don't realize that simple password was just exposed in a data breach, giving criminals the master key to your digital life. The reality is, these common habits might be leaving you completely exposed. Your data, your identity, and even your academic future are at risk. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 5 essential cybersecurity rules every student needs to know to avoid a digital disaster. Let's get one thing straight. Cybersecurity isn't just for tech experts or information technology departments anymore. For students, it's a critical life skill. The education sector has become a gold mine for cyber criminals, with attacks on universities and schools surging. Why? Because universities hold a treasure trove of your personal information, your social security number, financial aid data, home address, and academic records. And the digital shortcuts we take for convenience are the very things that make us easy targets. But here's the good news. Protecting yourself doesn't mean you need a computer science degree. It's all about building a few smart, simple habits. We're going to break down the 5 most common ways students get hit and give you concrete steps you can take today to lock down your digital life. Think of it as your personal cybersecurity playbook. By the time this is over, you won't just understand the threats, you'll know how to shut them down. Number 1, the password problem and the power of multi-factor authentication. Let's start with the front door to your digital world, your passwords. We all know the feeling. You have accounts for your school portal, email, banking, social media, and a dozen other things. Trying to remember a unique, complicated password for each one feels impossible. So you take a shortcut. You use your dog's name, your birthday, or that same password you've had since high school for everything. That is the single biggest mistake you can make. When you reuse passwords, one single breach creates a domino effect. All it takes is for one of those services, even some forgotten forum you joined years ago, to get hacked. Once your email and password are out there, attackers use automated bots to try that combo on every major platform, including your bank, your Amazon account, and most importantly, your university email. The solution has 2 parts. First, get a password manager. It's a secure, encrypted vault that creates, stores, and fills in long, random, and unique passwords for every site you use. You only have to remember one strong master password to unlock it all. This one move takes you from being an easy target to a very difficult one. But don't stop there. The second layer is multi-factor authentication. You've used it before, probably without thinking about it. It's when a service asks for your password and then sends a code to your phone to prove it's really you. You should enable multi-factor authentication everywhere. It's offered, especially on your email, banking, and university accounts. It's like adding a deadbolt to your front door. Even if a thief steals your password, they can't get past that second lock without having your phone in their hand. It's one of the most powerful ways to stop attackers cold. Number 2, the phishing minefield. Phishing is the most common cybercrime reported to the FBI, and students are prime targets. Scammers know you get tons of official-looking emails every day, so it's easy for them to sneak a malicious one past you. These attacks are a form of social engineering, designed to trick you into giving up sensitive information by creating a sense of urgency or trust. A phishing email might pretend to be from your university's information technology help desk, warning that your account is about to be suspended unless you click a link and verify your password. It could be a fake job offer that seems too good to be true, asking you to fill out a form with your personal data. Or it might be a notice from the library about an overdue book that directs you to a fake payment page. These scams are getting smarter too, using artificial intelligence to generate perfect grammar and professional-looking designs. Some even use malicious QR codes on campus flyers to lead you straight to a fake website. So how do you spot a phish? First, Always be skeptical of unexpected emails that demand you act now. Before you click any link, hover your mouse over it to see the actual web address it leads to. A real university link won't point to some bizarre, misspelled, or random domain. Second, legitimate organizations will almost never ask you for your password or financial info over email. If you get an email asking you to log in, don't use the link. Instead, open a new browser tab and type in the official website yourself. Finally, treat all unexpected attachments as suspicious. They can be loaded with malware. Just think before you click. A few seconds of caution can save you from a massive headache. If you're finding these tips useful and are seeing how simple it can be to protect yourself, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want to keep learning how to stay safe online, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Number 3. The public Wi-Fi trap. The campus coffee shop, the library, the airport, we love the convenience of free public Wi-Fi. But that convenience comes at a price: your security. When you connect to an unsecured public network, you're basically shouting all your private information in every crowded room. Hackers hang out on these networks. They can use a man-in-the-middle attack to position themselves between your device and the Wi-Fi hotspot, allowing them to intercept everything you do, your passwords, bank details, and private messages. Some will even set up their own fake Wi-Fi hotspots with believable names like Campus Guest Wi-Fi to trick you into connecting directly to their machine. Even a password-protected public network isn't completely safe since everyone is sharing the same connection. Logging into your bank account or buying something on public Wi-Fi is a huge risk. A virtual private network creates a secure, encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. All your data travels through this private tunnel, making it gibberish to anyone trying to spy on you. Even if you accidentally connect to a malicious hotspot, your information stays safe. Many universities offer a free virtual private network to students for this exact reason. Find it, install it, and turn it on every single time you use a public network. It's like drawing the blinds in your dorm room, a simple step that keeps your private business private. Number 4. Your digital shadow and social media footprint. Everything you post online creates a permanent record, your digital footprint. And for students, this footprint is more important than ever. It's not just about that embarrassing party photo. It's about the slow, steady leak of personally identifiable information you might be sharing without even realizing it. Think about it. Your Instagram might show your favorite study spot. Your TikToks might have your dorm in the background, and your Facebook probably lists your hometown. A criminal can piece all this together to guess your passwords, answer your security questions, or even build a convincing fake profile for identity theft. In fact, students are a major target for identity theft and often take longer to realize it's even happened. The solution is mindful sharing and privacy settings. First, go through the privacy settings on every social media account you have and lock them down. Set your profiles to private. Limit who sees your posts. Think twice before you tag your location in real time. Second, stop oversharing. Don't post pictures of your student ID, your driver's license, or any documents with personal details. And be suspicious of those fun online quizzes that ask for your mother's maiden name or the street you grew up on. Those are often just harvesting answers to common security questions. Remember, your online presence is part of your resume now. Employers will look you up. By managing your digital shadow, you're not just protecting yourself from threats today. You're building a professional online identity that will help you long after you graduate. Number 5. The update. Imperative. Your digital armor. How many times have you seen that software update available notification and hit remind me later? We all do it, especially when we're busy. But those updates are one of your most important defenses against cyber attacks. When a company like Apple or Microsoft releases an update, it isn't just to add new features. A huge portion of every update is dedicated to security patches. Hackers are constantly looking for new flaws, cracks in the code they can use to install malware, spyware, or ransomware on your devices. Software updates are literally patching holes in your digital armor. When you delay an update, you're leaving a known vulnerability open that criminals are actively trying to exploit. Many of the biggest cyber attacks on universities, the ones that have shut down entire campus systems, were successful because they exploited known flaws that simply hadn't been patched. The rule is simple. Always install updates as soon as you can. This goes for everything: your phone's operating system, your laptop, your web browser, and all your apps. The easiest way to do this is to enable automatic updates wherever possible. This ensures your devices are always armed with the latest defenses. Running antivirus software and keeping it updated is another critical layer of this armor. It's a small, passive action with a massive security payoff. Don't leave your front door unlocked. Keep your software updated. Navigating your digital life as a student doesn't have to be stressful. The threats are definitely real, but the solutions are surprisingly simple and completely in your control. It really boils down to 5 key habits. Use a password manager and turn on multi-factor authentication. Be skeptical of unexpected emails and learn to spot a phish. Treat public Wi-Fi like it's hostile and use a virtual private network. Lock down your social media and think before you post. And finally, never ever ignore a software update. These aren't just abstract ideas. They are the practical habits that protect you. By making them part of your daily routine, you go from being a potential victim to a very difficult target. You are the most important line of defense for your own digital life. Take control, stay aware, and focus on your studies with confidence and security. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can join us for our next video.